Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make your creamy garlic sauce. This is another easy recipe you can do on your own. Very easy. Just as I said, I told you I'll be making my recipe, making it so easy for you to follow. So this is very creamy, you can see. All you needed is few ingredients you can get within your kitchen. Here I'm using this peeled garlic. I'm using 1 cup of peeled garlic. I'll be blending it into paste. So you can see I didn't add any water when blending it because I want it to come out as a paste. You see? So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'll blend all to well combine. So you can see it's forming. So I'll be adding my olive oil. This is 1 cup of olive oil. So you can use any oil of your choice when doing this, but I prefer to use olive oil. Oil is important while making this because it can act as a preservative for this recipe. So make sure you use oil when making it. So you can see it's done. I hope you'll get to try this recipe. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, you are highly welcome. And remember to subscribe, follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors, and please like my video. I said like it, comment, and please share. Don't just only watch and go. Make sure you like it, comment, and share. And please make sure you subscribe and follow my page if you have not done so. Okay? You can see how creamy it is. With this, you can use it with a lot of things. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. Just as I said, I'll be teaching you how to do a lot of things. Very easy step on how to get it done. You can store it on your refrigerator or your freezer, depending on your choice. But this can stay up to 3 months. All you needed is make sure you use your oil because the oil acts as a preservative. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.